If someone goes no contact on you, this is what you need to do. Now, don't depend only on 3D. Focus on vibration and frequency, and they will choose you. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. We've helped people in 60 different countries. I know we can help you too with the law of attraction. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Now, no contact is a popular technique that has been developed by dating coaches and so forth. And it's really designed to be used with a specific person or somebody that you've been in a relationship with, or even someone that you're dating. Some of the time, it's designed to get them to miss you. Other times, it's designed so that whoever goes no contact has some time to themselves, can think things through as things are going on in their life. Sometimes no contact is akin to ghosting. It's very similar. Things can be going well. You can be dating somebody, everything's going well, and then bam, you go to text him and you've been blocked. And you go, what the hell? We didn't have a fight. Everything's perfect. Or sometimes your husband or wife comes home and says, I want a divorce. I'm moving out. Don't call me. Call my attorney. There's a lot of different variations of no contact. And that's important to understand. But what the dating coaches fail to understand is that no contact only is effective in the 3D plane. It's only effective in the physical world. It has no influence in the higher worlds of vibration and frequency. What I'm trying to tell you is that no matter what a person does in the 3D world, if you have a connection with someone, if you have a connection that you've established over a period of time, it's impossible to turn off that connection instantly in the higher worlds of frequency and vibration. No contact is purely a 3D concept, but we create and we manifest and we attract in the quantum universe of 5D. Oftentimes, when someone goes no contact on you, they feel a vibrational shift in the relationship. So while everything on the outside seems to be fine, everything's going great, vibrationally, something has changed. And so they go no contact because what they want to do is bring back that old energy, that old vibration, the vibration that they were attracted to. One of the things that's happening, and this is very important, is it's the reason that they've gone no contact on you or they're ghosting you. They want that original vibration back. They want that energy back. They want that connection back. And they think by going no contact that that'll do it for them. The problem is, as I said earlier, is that no contact in the quantum world really doesn't exist. And you can connect to anybody as intimately as you can imagine through your mind, through the power of your thoughts, through your beliefs, through your frequency, through your vibration. Sometimes a person goes no contact because they just want space, but it isn't space they want because they didn't want space when the vibration was in harmony. That's what they really desire, that vibration that they were attracted to in the beginning. Now, if you chase, more often you'll push them further and further away. I think the key to this, high flyers, the key to making this work for you is the story, what you're telling yourself about yourself. Because if you've been rejected, you may be feeling some very lower vibrational thoughts. You may be feeling angry. I have one client, she says, "How dare him? We had a great relationship." You know? Well, so she feels anger, but beneath that anger is pain. So, what is the story you're telling yourself about you? And what is the story that you're telling yourself about them? More importantly, what is the story that you're telling yourself about the relationship? You might be saying things such as, "They found someone better. I'm not good enough. He or she is stubborn. He will never call me. She will never call me. It's just not in her nature. It's not in his nature to call. I have to do the chasing. If I don't chase, they will forget me. Don't you understand?" Well, this proves that they never loved me. All of these are stories. They are beliefs that you can choose to have, and they're disempowering beliefs, by the way. They're contrary to law of attraction. Or you can choose to create beliefs that give you the kind of outcome you want to have. First, you need to begin by rewriting your story. Your story must, this is essential. It must have a positive self concept of who you are. Here are a few affirmations I highly recommend that you use. Now, you may have seen them on other videos, but if you're not using them on a daily basis, morning, noon, and night, if they're not part of your new belief system about who you are, then you're putting yourself at a disadvantage when someone else has gone no contact on you. You must have a positive self concept. Do these affirmations on a daily basis. I am the best. I am perfect. I am the one. I am unique. I am confident. I am worthy. I am attractive. I am secure. I am the perfect choice. These are amazing affirmations that begin to shift your inner vibration almost instantly. Next, high flyers, rewrite your story about them. Whatever you're telling yourself, if it's not empowering you and your relationship, give it up. Maybe they found someone else, or maybe they're dating someone else. Okay. But you don't have to say that you're not the one. Okay. They're dating someone else, and he's going to find out just how valuable and how precious I am. I know she's been stubborn in the past, and she likely doesn't want to call me first. But guess what? My magnetism takes away their power to resist me. I'm focusing on my energy, my self concept, my magnetism. I'm expanding it. I'm raising my vibration. I'm feeling exceptional about myself. And that makes me in demand. That makes me a magnetic power that they cannot resist. It's simply a matter of time. Number three, every morning before you get out of bed, when you get out of bed in the morning, this is very important. Visualize how good you're going to feel, how disciplined, how strong, how confident, how empowered you will feel during the day, how you will attract more friends, or how you will have better relationships with your friends, success, happiness, exercise, working out, new experiences. You're going to visualize every morning just how wonderful your day is going to be. High flyers, this is absolutely essential because it's important that you have a positive self concept about not just yourself, but about your day. And of course, if you're like me and thousands of others who are using it around the world, you're going to love doing this affirmation. First thing, when your eyes open, good things are coming my way today. And then visualize the kind of day you're going to have, how you're going to feel. Next, high flyers, Throughout the day, do those affirmations, those self concept affirmations. But then at bedtime, when you go to bed, not in a state of want, but in a state of absolute certainty and knowingness, visualize them texting you. Hey, how have you been? What's going on? Haven't heard from you in a while. Are you okay? Maybe a small text, but it's what I call a bridge. And then visualize the two of you spending time together, walking through the park, going out to dinner, going to the circus, whatever it is that you're into, going fishing, going hiking, whatever it is that you do. But visualize some precious little moments of the two of you being absolutely happy together. And finally, just before you fall asleep, visualize the two of you holding each other intimately in a loving embrace. Well, number 5 is throughout the day, gratitude all day long. It's not just writing it down in your diary, though that's a great idea. It's being grateful. I'm grateful for the love flowing into my life right now. I am grateful for the love that is flowing into my life right now. I am grateful for the love that is flowing into my life right now. Just have that running through your mind all day, all day. High flyers, this is about your choices, your beliefs, your frequency, and your vibration. There is no such thing as no contact to those who practice the law of attraction. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.